Amphibie Crochet.
Hello and welcome to my channel. A tutorial today. Let's crochet a balloon heart, perfectly timed for Valentine's Day. This is one of the first tutorials I've ever taped, so it's horrible. You will need yarn, a crochet hook, of course, and some stuffing. And if you want to embellish your little balloon heart, you can do that with all sorts of paraphernalia. You can put it on a wire. You can put some bling on it, whatever you want. It is a horrible tutorial because I really didn't show the crocheting very well. You start off with 6 single crochet stitches in a magic ring for 6 stitches, and then you start in with round 1, where you increase 2 single crochet stitches in each of those 6 stitches, leaving you with 12 stitches in total. I do apologize for the poor video in this thing. It gets a little better later on. Round 2, you repeat 1 single crochet stitch, 1 increase 6 times for a total of 18 stitches. So if you want to follow along with a written pattern, you can do so with the link in the description below. Round 3, you repeat 2 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times for a total of 24 stitches. Round 4 is just you crochet around, so you make 24 single crochet stitches. And, well, there you go. That's round 4. Round 5. You make 7 single crochet stitches, 1 increase, you repeat that 3 times, gets 27 crochet stitches, and that is the end of the first heart ear. You close off, you leave a little yarn for sewing later on. And then you make another one, and that one you do not fasten off, because then we're going to crochet them together, the 2 heart ears. And you do that by skipping 4 stitches. You continue to crochet on the other heart ear. You crochet stitch around for 23 stitches. And then you continue on for a 46 stitches. And then you have they are crocheted together like you see here. But the middle has a gap in it. And that is what you're going to sew closed with the yarn tail of the first heart ear that you left after fastening off. And you just simply whip stitch or whatever stitch you want to use to crochet to sew that little part shut. Then you continue on with round 7. 10 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 22 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 10 single crochet stitches. Round 9, 9 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 21 single crochet, 1 decrease, 10 single crochet, 42 stitches in total. Round 10, 9 single crochet, 1 decrease, 20 single crochet, 1 decrease, 9 single crochet for a total of 40. This way you nicely distribute those decreases on the sides of the heart. Round 11, 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, 18 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, and then 8 single crochet stitches for a total of 36 single crochet stitches. Round 12, 7 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 17 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 8 single crochet stitches. And that should leave you with 34 stitches in total. Round 13, 7 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 16 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 7 single crochet stitches for a total of 32 single crochet stitches, excuse me. Round 14, 6 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 15 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, and then 7 single crochet stitches for a total of 30 stitches. Round 15, 4 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet stitch, 1 decrease, 10 single crochet stitch, 1 decrease, 2 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 4 single crochet stitches. Oh, round 16, 4 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet stitch, 1 decrease, 9 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, and then 3 single crochet stitches. Round 17, 3 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease, 2 times 8 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. You repeat that twice, and then 3 single crochet stitches, leaving you with 18 stitches. And then you do 1 single crochet stitch and 1 decrease 6 times, and then you have 12 crochet stitches, and then you start stuffing the living daylights out of your little heart. Oh, what happened? Ah, stuff the heart. There we go. I'm plucking the stuffing so it fits nicely in my little heart. Stuff those heart ears well. And then you continue on with the last round. 6 decreases, so you get 6 stitches in total. And if you want to, you can finish up the stuffing, but you really have to push it in there. And then we're starting the increases again to get the little nozzle on the balloon. 1 single crochet stitch and 1 increase, and you repeat that 3 times for a total of 9 stitches. And then round 21 is, there you go, there's the little nozzle. 2 single crochet stitches, 1 increase, repeat that 3 times for 12 single crochet stitches, and I think that is it. You finish off, you weave in those little yarn ends, and then you can start decorating your little heart balloon. I'm just putting a little little ribbon on it, little piece of yarn, and I've put in a little cocktail cocktail thingy. Well, you can do whatever you want, of course. Well, that's it. They're done. That's a lovely little balloon heart. Great for decorating for Valentine's Day or to gift to your loved one. It's quite a large heart, and I really like that you don't see anything sewn together, and that's really really nice. It's a really simple pattern, really nice. And I apologize for the bad quality of of my tutorial, but you should really be able to figure it out. It's not that complicated. I wish you happy crocheting, and thanks for watching.